Hello everybody, my name is Maximilian, coming up with the next video for you. This time we are reviewing the shoes from Pureroom.ru, a website where you can get such amazing high quality sneakers for amazing prices. Let me show it real quick. So as you can see, such shoes can be purchased on the Pureroom.ru. They have a wide range selection of shoes and luxury items like bags, shoes, clothes in general, some jackets, whatever. Let's take a look at the quality of the shoes and let's just talk about them for a moment. As you can see, this is the quality of the shoe example from them. They look absolutely amazing. As you can see, the quality is just great. The leather is just on point. The details are absolutely phenomenal. And when you actually take a look at the stitching, there are no holes or some defects. Everything looks great. I have no complaints whatsoever about the shoes from them. Inside of the shoe, this is how they will look like. Absolutely phenomenal. Now let's take a look at the right pair. Let's see if it's as consistent as the left one. Yeah, when you just take a look at this is what you can expect from every single unit from them. The quality is just repetitive and it's just great. It's on point. Like honestly, just take a look at the details. Everything looks great. If you buy the shoes from Pureroom, you won't be disappointed really. Taking a look at the shoes, so this is how it all looks like. As you can see, the pattern is great. I have no complaints about that. Everything looks great. Everything looks on point. The right one looks as well. Very nice. The Travis Scott sneakers, you're getting the spare shoelaces, so that's just amazing. As you can see, they look nice. They look fire. The box itself looks one-to-one. I have no complaints about it. We're getting like all the details and everything. It all just looks fine. Next pair of, this time a different combination of colors of Travis reversed low shoes, Jordans. As you can see, the black stitching on the back looks great. The materials are absolutely phenomenal. I like how they look like. And yeah, no defects, no complaints about that. The shipping takes anywhere between 7 to 14 days, something like that, depending on your location, but it won't take more than 40 days basically, so it's nice. It's also safe. The shipping is safe, no complaints about that. Your package won't get seized or anything, it's just a myth. Alright, so as you can see, here we are on their page. Pureroom.ru, everything looks great. I have no complaints about that. And they're running a spring sale, so for every $170 spent, you're getting like $20 off with the code Pureroom, so it's amazing. And also accordingly, if you spend over $350, you're getting a brand new cap. Over $450 spent, you're getting a brand new sunglasses. For $650 spent, you get you a brand new wallet, so it's also quite an incentive. And as you can see, they're having a ton of different shoes and beautiful bags in here, so honestly, everyone can find something great for themselves. Let's take a look at the new arrivals maybe. So yeah, as you can see, they have some nice watches here. They have some nice Bottega Veneta bags or anything, and so on and so on. Louis V, you have the Louis V, Alma, Speedy, and some other wallets or some other bags, the Chanel bags, luxury bags, luxury shoes. As you can see, every single company is visible here, and you can get anything you want basically. Jordans all the way to the 40 number, Adidas, many shoes in here, Nike, cloths, down jackets. As you can see, you can get yourself like a Moncler jacket, for example, for as little as $300. It comes to you in a special bag like this. Quality is just amazing. And when you press on an item, you get the QC pictures like that. So you can see everything step by step, how it all presents. Accessories, you're getting like a scarf, sunglasses, jewelry, hat, watch, or belt. So yeah, jewelry is looking quite nice as well. So that will be it as for today's video. Make sure to check out the Pureroom.ru where you can get loads of different shoes and items for amazing deals and prices. Check out the links in the description for amazing offers and many spreadsheets. You won't regret it, and see you in the next video. Bye!